how to change join on and join off in Roblox. Hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how can you change join on or join off in Roblox. So let's get started on this process. Firstly, you'll have to open your Roblox app and make sure you are logged in with your account. Okay, so after you open the app, you will got such interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on the more options just at the bottom right corner of the screen. So simply tap on the three dot, and now from here, you'll have to go the option settings. Okay, so from here, you'll have to go the options like privacy and content maturity. So simply tap on it. And now from here you will got a lot of options to make changes on your settings. So from here you'll have to go the options like visibility and private servers. So simply tap on it, and now from here go the options visibility. Okay, so from here you can set the settings like who can see your current experience and can join you. So from here you can choose only friends, or you can set to the no one, or you can as usual done to everyone and friends, followers and people I know. So from here you can set the settings. So this is the method that how can you turn on the settings like who can join you or who can join off in the Roblox. So hope you like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.